Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, September 5th, 2019. Well, we have a lot to talk about, so let's just dive right into it. A cold front is off the coast with high pressure building in, producing excellent weather conditions for today. Definitely enjoy them because tomorrow is not going to be pretty. Winds are from the north-northeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the lower to mid-50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s over the suburbs, and lower to mid-60s along the immediate coast, upper 60s to lower 70s as you head down towards southern New Jersey. Again, clear skies to scattered cloud cover with visibility around 10 miles. When you take a look at the surface map, you pretty much see the story over the next few days. This high-pressure system will continue to track towards New England. Hurricane Dorian will continue to approach the South Carolina and North Carolina coast as a major hurricane. Look at this now. We have winds of 115 miles per hour. That makes it a Category 3 hurricane. It's moving to the north at 7 miles per hour as of 7 a.m. And its pressure is down to 957 millibars. It's currently 80 miles to the south-southeast of Charleston, South Carolina, and 185 miles to the south-southwest of Wilmington, North Carolina. Eventually, Dorian is expected to turn to the northeast and then track through eastern North Carolina. Now, whether it tracks through the heart of eastern North Carolina here or on the Outer Banks will have some influence on our forecast, but for the most part, we're going with the idea that's going to track over the extreme portions of North Carolina and then head towards the coastal waters of the Delmarva Peninsula and well south and east of New Jersey and Long Island. When you take a look at the latest satellite picture, you pretty much see the whole story here. A cold front is off the coast. Look at the expansion and influence of Hurricane Dorian at this point. This was a very tiny compact storm, and now it is certainly not. And that is a very important factor because what's going to happen is that as Dorian's lifting to the northeast over the next 24 hours, it's going to go through a process called going from tropical to subtropical to extratropical. What that basically means is that the structure of the storm is going to change. In an extratropical storm, your strongest winds are away from the center of the circulation due to the pressure gradient, and the precipitation shield is far more expansive. So what we're going to see as that process is undergoing is that our precipitation shield, our rain shield, is going to expand. And when that expansion happens, well, it's going to push right onto the New Jersey coast. So this is generally what I'm expecting for tomorrow. In the red areas, looking at about a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain. Now, it's not going to be a constant heavy rain. That's going to remain off the coast. But you're going to get these waves of tropical downpours rotating in from the Atlantic throughout the day, starting tomorrow morning, continuing on through tomorrow evening. The heaviest rainfall will be on the coast, of course, with winds around 15 to 30 miles per hour, especially right on the beach, with gusts up to 40 miles per hour possible. Look out for minor to moderate coastal flooding and some beach erosion as our storm passes well to the south and east. A little bit further inland, looking at about a quarter to a half an inch of rain. Again, a passing tropical shower or heavy downpour will be possible. And then well off into the interior, you're really not going to see much of an impact at all. Looking at winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour, a tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch of rain with a passing shower here and there. For the most part, you're going to be dealing with scattered or broken cloud cover and a rather breezy day as you head up towards Scranton, Hershey, Lancaster, and up towards Hartford and portions of northwestern Connecticut. So, as you can see, this is pretty much a coastal event, and we're going to really keep an eye on the exact track of Dorian to make sure that that heavy or steady rain doesn't push onto the coastal plain. Right now, that is not expected, but if that happens, then we're talking about over an inch and a half of rain, possibly as much as 2.5 to 3 inches of rain if that happens. But again, that is not expected at this time. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, absolutely beautiful with clear skies to scattered cloud cover. Look for temperatures to rise into the lower to mid 70s on the immediate coast, upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. For tonight, look for increasing cloud cover, increasing winds from the east, and lows in the mid 60s. Tomorrow morning on through tomorrow evening, we got waves of heavy rainfall, windy conditions, high temperatures in the upper 60s. On Saturday, all of that clears out. Saturday is going to be a bit breezy, but overall rather nice, with lows in the lower to mid 50s and highs in the mid to upper 70s. On Sunday, absolutely beautiful conditions, light winds, low humidity, temperatures ranging from the upper 50s for lows and mid 70s for highs. For Monday, high pressure remains in control with clear skies and sky cloud cover. A bit cool, lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s, highs in the mid 60s to lower 70s. On Tuesday, look for scattered cloud cover and isolated showers possible but not likely. Look for lows in the mid 50s, highs in the mid 70s. On Wednesday, a warm front will move through the region with a few isolated to widely scattered showers, especially towards evening. Look for lows in the upper 50s, highs in the mid 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast, mid 80s everywhere else. And on Thursday, a cold front will follow with scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms. Lows in the mid 60s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s on the immediate coast, and mid to upper 70s everywhere else. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino, and as always, stay safe out there.